Here's how yoga can not only help you to fall asleep quicker, but get a more restful night's sleep as well. All of the poses I'm about to show you should probably be done about 30 minutes to an hour before going to bed to really get the best results. So let's dive into these 3 poses that will help to calm your nervous system and relax your muscles to prepare you for a wonderful night's rest. Forward fold for sleep. Forward fold is one of the best postures to help get your body into that wind down mode just before bed. And one of the reasons this is so powerful is because it just stretches so many things all at once. But here's the thing, I don't want you to solely focus on stretching just your hamstrings in this pose. Instead of just stretching those legs, I want you to find the magic point where you feel like you're stretching your legs, a little bit of your back, your upper back, all the way even through your shoulders. So this is going to mean bending your knees and finding that magic spot where you feel a decently equal stretch through pretty much the whole entire back side of your body. It's going to take some body awareness, but just kind of play with where your knees are, where your hands are positioned, and how much you're relaxing through each part of your body so that you really start to feel it all along the entire backside of your body. And once you find that magic spot, you have to hold it for quite a while. I would suggest working up to 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 minutes of holding this pose to really give everything a chance to relax and let go. Bridge pose for better sleep. Just forget about finding the stretch in your bridge pose, and there's a good reason for this. If your goal is better sleep, then we really want to key in to the main benefit of our nervous system letting go and relaxing here in this pose. You see, this gentle inversion is really what helps to engage our parasympathetic nervous system, the system in our body that helps with all that rest and digest. Comfort is key here in this pose. So just getting yourself up to wherever you feel decently comfortable, and then we breathe and relax here in this pose. I like to envision that there is a little bit of a tiny string, a thread through the center of your body. And as you breathe and relax, that string thread of relaxation just grows bigger and bigger and bigger until your whole body is relaxed. Plus, it helps to have that little visualization because you'll be here for a minute. So you want to give your brain something to do, and why not have it focus on just relaxing? It's a simple visualization exercise that you can do, but you're going to be there for a bit. So why not combine it with a powerful posture like bridge to really help relax and send you off into a restful night's slumber. And for a full class where we do a deep dive into a lot of these relaxing postures just before bedtime, simply click on the card here above. It's roughly a 30-minute class, and it goes through all of the poses in this video and a lot more. But now let's dive in to the third part because I've saved one of the most relaxing poses for last. Legs up the wall. If I could only recommend one yoga pose to do just before bed, then this would be it. Doing legs up the wall pose just before bed has a perfect combination to really help you get a very restful night's sleep. Not only are you relaxing your leg muscles after a very long day, this gentle inversion helps to calm your nervous system as well. Do your best to bring your bottom as close to the wall as you can before you start. And then bringing your legs on up. You want to be able to find yourself in a comfortable position where you can actually relax here in this pose. Another added benefit is that this pose, when you have your sacrum there on the ground, it actually helps to realign your SI joints a little bit, which can help to take away from some back pain as well. But the goal is actually just to stay here for as long as you can. This is a pretty safe posture, so 3 to 5 minutes is totally okay. Just lay here, relax, and breathe deeply. And when you're ready to come out of the pose, just roll your legs on off to the side and then just roll on in to bed. Again, for a whole yoga for sleep class, go ahead and just click on the video here. Also, open up the description below where you'll find that video, but a ton more resources for you as well.